Hey guy, gal, Brownie, Tina. Tina's a rooster, actually. We didn't know that at first. Got something kind of fun planned for today. We're gonna go ahead and take the Dodge D50 out for a garbage run. And we had an ice storm here about a week and a half ago. The ice is really sticking around. Not so much on the main highways, but on the gravel it is. And I always wondered if I had a Dodge D50, would I be able to daily drive it? Especially if it was just a two-wheel drive pickup. Pretty much the answer is no, but we're gonna go ahead and take this down the road. There were a bunch of hay bales in here from a hay ride that we did. I hauled them back home and I took them out. That was about maybe 3 weeks ago, a month ago. It was quite a while ago. So you can see there's really thick ice down the side of this and it comes all the way down the door. And this has not been opened up. I mean, it's just ice. So what we need to do is get in, pop the hood. Still has its head gasket issue. Haven't done that yet. And I need to take a look at the coolant to make sure we're all good there. So that's it. Get ready for a fun ride. Out the driveway we go and down the road. Okay, I'm penguin walking it over so I don't fall on my bottom. Got the little rubber mallet that we used to chip off all the ice from the storm on the other vehicles. Gonna take it real nice and easy on this. All right, you guys ready for this? Just whack-a-mole it. Look at that. Tell me that's not satisfying, huh? Is that gonna come off? Let's get all this off of here. Coming. Look at how thick that is. Oy vey. Well, come on. Not going to go too crazy on it. We got to get the door open. Don't want to break anything. Gotta be careful around your windows, otherwise you'll break the glass pretty easily. Look at this. It's just got to be able to get the hood open too. Oof, that scares me. I thought I might have cracked the window right there. But it was just the ice. Come on. Did I get you? One. Come on. Oofda. We're going to leave that last piece, I think. Yep. Look at this. It's crazy. Oh, man. How do you get your window cleaned off without breaking the window? This is the original window of the truck. Eesh. Come on. I don't know. Ay caramba. Well, I think that's going to be enough to get the hood open here. Almost. Oh, man. There's the cowl. It's all ice. Chip those away maybe. Oofda. You guys got any good ideas to get this off? Look at that. Look at how deep that is. There it comes. Slowly but surely. I'm not hitting it hard. Hey, that's better. Oof, there I whacked it a little bit. Oh man. Oofda. Whatever I do, don't turn on the windshield wipers, I guess. Maybe we can get them here. I don't know. There you can see it's the original windshield from the factory, 1979. This wiper's freed up. Okay, that's good. We'll leave that. Open our cowl up. We're good? Alright, we should be good. This side is melted off or didn't get really ice. Couple blankets in there. Well, that's a good idea. Still smells good in there. 79 Dodge D50. Pulled it out of the barn. Out of the granary, actually, way back there. Boy. All right, before we start it, I want to check the coolant. All right. That's still pretty good. All right, excellent. We're good. We're full up. This doesn't heat very good because we don't have a good head gasket, so I guess what we're going to do is we're going to just close it up and assume it's going to start. There's that. There's that. Oofda. One of the hay bales broke. Oh, look at all this. A ton of broken ice. Nice and dry in here though. It's actually kind of warm in here. 83, 178. Got power. We're going to be watching the oil pressure here. Okay. Let's just pump it like we never pumped it before. Heat, outside, hot. It's kind of running. Got oil pressure. All right, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna turn the heat on high. It's right here. This little knob's your AC. I don't know if the amperage gauge works or not, but it's charging. Doesn't really look like it's working. If I rev it, it doesn't change at all. Our oil pressure is good. Don't turn the windshield wipers on. We got it set to heat right in the middle there. Hot, outside. I don't know if this works or not. Sounds like it's trying to. And we're on high. We're gonna let this run for about 10 minutes. Then we're gonna go get some garbage loaded up into it. Sounds pretty good. Nice and smooth. All right, I'll be right back. All right, it's been idling long enough. I think we're ready. Let's see if we can just back this thing out. Over, down. Got my hat on. I'm gonna switch to a lighter hat. Look at that, crawling right out. There's a little spinning, winding action from the transmission. Normal stuff. Oh my. Well, we're gonna swing on to the front of the yard here. I'll probably just turn it around right up here and get up this thing. Oh boy. Got just a tiny little incline here. Not pushing on the gas, it's spinning. This thing is treacherous in the winter. I'll tell you that years ago, I was trying to go home. Other cars are driving down the road, probably, I don't know, 50. I was barely going 30, just trying to keep it between the ditches. But you know, it's fun. I'm gonna grab my sunglasses and we'll go for a ride. Yeehaw! There's Tina the rooster. All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna throw some garbage in real quick. Break. All right, we're loaded up. We got Mooser and, you know, a bunch of cheese sandwiches, just in case we get stuck somewhere. I did bring my driving gloves in case I have to double the speed limit. Let's see if we can get this camera to work. We're just gonna leave it. We'll just have to let this video be you guys watching out the road while Moose wanders back and forth undecided on where to sit. But at least we're in a Dodge D50. It's about 25 degrees outside right now, which is really nice. This thing is ready to rock the party. Let me just test the mic here. Test, test, test. Roger that, redactor. Okay. Driving gloves check. Oh man. I don't know if you can feel the shake, but let's go in first here and roll tide. Here you go, Mooser. Let's not get stuck. It's actually warm in here. Woo! Get the back loaded up. See if we can just crawl out of the driveway. If you're wondering if Moose is in the way, I don't know if you can see him. He absolutely is. He likes to be in the way of the steering wheel, which is not fun. Come on, man. There you go, buddy. You stay. You lay down, you got blankies. Let's roll our window down here. Ready to test the brakes? There's neutral. Sliding. Oh yeah. Boy. We'll be good. Throw it in second, start spinning. Can you guys see it's probably too bright right now, but it's spinning. We got got half tank of fuel. Got our rearview mirror aligned. Moose, take a nap, buddy. We love you. Even the subscribers might love you. Isn't that cool? Maybe they think you're a cute puppy. You got to stay there on the blankets, though. Rolling in third gear right now. You can see the sun gleaming off the road. It is bright. That little squeaky noise is what is that? I think it's some ice rubbing on the back there in the box and cab. I don't know. Well, we're back at the farm. We made it. Should you daily drive a 79 Dodge D50? Still to be determined. They're really good on the ice. That's not even possible. It did okay on the ice considering what it was and what it is. So we'll see you next time here on Two Stall Garage. Be sure to subscribe. We'd appreciate that. Hope everybody has a good day. All right, more on this to come. Bye-bye.